Hi nail friends and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I remove my polygel nails. So this is a set that I did a few weeks ago and this is what it looks like. I have had this set on for 10 days and it's going strong. If you would like to see this video, it would be in the description below. I really liked this set and working with polygel. This was my first time using polygel and it was really nice. I would have left it on longer, but I can't if I want to provide these videos for you guys. As you can see, they are still on and there is no lifting of the nails. I did lose some rhinestone, but that is because I used the top coat alone. I didn't see the sense in using gel glue to adhere these fine rhinestones, but I guess I should have used it. So anyway, I started by removing my rhinestones and then using my nail clipper. I just cut off the tips. This just cuts down on the filing that I have to do. Now I'm using my Vogue rechargeable drill. This is a very faithful drill. Disregard how it looks because it's hard plastic, and when I use my acetone, it leaves residue on the nail drill. I do plan on purchasing another one really soon, but if you are looking for an inexpensive nail drill, this is the one. You can use a nail file, but it would take too long. So now I'm just filing the polygel until it is nice and thin. Polygel is really soft. It is a file-off type of nail system and filing was really easy. So I filed down to a thin layer of the nail, as close to the natural nail as you are comfortable with. Make sure to be careful so that you don't damage your natural nails. So once I have all of the nails filed down to a thin layer, I brush away all of the dust and then I switch over to my 100/180 grit file to file closer to the natural nail. Then, when the file couldn't work anymore, I placed my finger in some acetone to remove the remaining polygel. I left my finger in the acetone for about 5 minutes and let the acetone soften the polygel. And now I'm able to scrape it off with my cuticle pusher. Be careful when you're doing this. I'm being very gentle, but this video is sped up a lot, so that's why it's looking like I'm being very aggressive. Then I use my 100/180 grit to remove any excess polygel that was left on the nail. After removing all of the polygel, I then use my 220/280 buffer to smoothen my nails and give it a shine. So this is what my nails look like, and now I'm just applying some cuticle oil to moisturize my nails. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial on how to remove polygel nails. And if you like this video, you're gonna want to check out my other videos. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!